Problema lang talaga sa headset, napaka-uncomfortable. Microphone. Yung mic ka ngayon, okay naman. Okay yung mic ko. Burp, 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 burp. Na-close ko. Suot. Sita. Ano naman ito? Nagyayaya po sila lumabas. Ayoko. Kakain ko lang eh. Ha? Mas maayos. Tinerf ko yung ano? Anong tawag doon? Yung gain. Tangina. Ano ba to? Pick up. Paano pick up? Alam mo ba ano, i-open yung OBS mo as ano, as administrator? Oo nga, no? Ano din ginagawa mo? Ano naman? Ayaw na naman. Alam ko na ano nangyayari. Ayun. Okay. Ay, Amachi pa pala. Fuck. Northside vending. Huh? Ayaw, ano ba yung last natin? Yung A-bomb. Check my settings. Nalala ko na din yung P90. Active Walsh. Starting na yung server. Nagagawa ko music. Side nito. Isa lang. Board na. Game ka na? Ako yung P90.
Armor ba?
Awan ko. Basahin mo.
Di yan. Yan armor yan.
Sige. Sino mo be-breach?
Ako na lang.
Ikaw na lang? Sige. Game na?
Ano nga yung pang-bridge?
Pang secondary?
Hindi, anong amo?
Kahit ano.
Oh, sige.
Naghang. Anyari?
Ako din.
Okay na.
All units, this is Central BCC. Multiple SWAT units responding code 3 to 1092 Westfield Road. Officer in danger.
Ito yung ano. Lapit mo na yun ah.
Wow, okay. May opening pads.
Clear. Opening clear na lang. Kalak ba? Oh. Nakalock.
Bridge.
Oh, bridge mo na.
3, 2, 1.
Walang tao dito.
Hands up! On your knees! Get down and put your hands up! What? Police! Hands up! Get those hands in the air! Do it now! My shop!
Traffic.
Security.
Yeah. Police! On the floor!
Shit, may tumatakbo dito.
Talk, this is Sierra
Okay,
1.
wag mo muna
My
i-steam.
shop! Get those hands up! Now!
Okay, bumaba sila. Fuck.
Police! Hands up!
Kaya na ayaw mo yung muko.
What?
Ikaw yung upstairs.
Get those hands in the air! Do it now! I'm just the manager.
Talk, this is Sierra 1. Lost visuals on entry team.
Check what it does. Cut off my hands, why don't you? Police! Drop your weapons!
Isa lang.
Standing by.
Ah, tumakbo.
Drop your weapons and hit the floor! Police!
Baba mo yan, oy. What? Tinutok niya na eh.
Wala kang sigaw talaga.
Ilabas ko na si reset nga ta.
Perimeter from the neighboring laundromat. Talk to entry team. One of Walsh's contacts is the
Aray ko.
standing by for further report.
Ah, matay din ako.
Huwag tayo mag-bridge, masyadong maingay yata.
C2. Ay, may ngayon.
Ready. Ay shit, na ready ko. Na-start na. Wala ka pa. Pwede mo i-start. Wala nyari, naghang yung game ko. Bruh.
Ano, restart?
Ah. Naghang.
Oh, naghang din yung game ko.
Bruh.
Restart yan. Next.
What?
Completely.
Ayaw man, punta sa bagong desktop. What you mean? Ay, nag-crash na. Hmm? What the fuck do you mean? Ano? Oh my god, hindi ko matas manager. Naka-close mo yun sa'yo? Ako di ko maklose. Nagpupunta siya sa ano? Umabra siya sa... Ayun. Ayaw maklose! Kailangan ko ata sa PC ko. Oh. Fuck off. What the fuck? Wala kasing window mode tong ano, SWAT 4 eh.
2005.
Nag-crash na. Ah! Mali pa na buksang SWAT. Ito na naman. Ano? Saturday server. Call away. Ayan na. ASP.
Leslie.
Diyan ka na?
Stun gun.
Huwag na. Masyadong madali pag less lethal eh. Ba't freeze yung game ko to? Nasa ibang team ka. Punta ka sa blue. Pass. Saan ka mapunta eh?
Stores. Pwede na.
Bookmarking operation. Ano yung bookmarking operation?
Ano? Hindi ko alam.
Illegal basta illegal, kaya mo na.
All units, this is Central BCC. Multiple SWAT units responding code 3 to 1092 Westfield Road. Officer in danger.
Mas maganda pa yung rain effect na to, no, kaysa sa ibang game.
Mas maganda pa ito sa GTA na remake.
Parang ano niya yung vibe ng game na to, parang Liberty City, no?
True.
Parang yung mga Max Payne, gano'n. Secure mo yan. Sarado ko to. Kasi baka may kalaban dito.
This is a legitimate business.
Civilian secured. Ready for evac.
Oh, ano to?
Copy. We'll be ready for them.
Palak.
Yan, sige.
Ambo.
Jake.
Jakey. Mambo.
Ambo. Oh yeah.
Try yeah.
Ambo. Hachimi, hachimi, hachimi. Hachimi wo nameru. Ambo.
May taas dito eh. May agdanan dito eh.
Doc, this is Sierra 1. Element spotted.
Police! Drop your weapons! Do it! Drop your weapons!
Tira ko yung taas ah.
Stop! Drop your weapons!
Huwag mo ubuli na yan mo tumakbo. Bindara yun.
Get down and put your hands up!
Okay na? Okay ka lang?
Lost visuals on entry team.
Get those hands in the air! Do it now! Police! Hands up! Police! On the floor! Show me your hands! Now!
Kanan ka na.
Police! Put your hands up!
What the fuck? May nag-recruit siya ng baril eh.
Drop your weapons!
Doc dead.
Drop your weapons! Do it!
Suspect dead. Copy. Stay sharp.
Nag-pull out na siya ng baril eh.
Police! On the floor!
Over here! Not the cops. There's a raid coming through.
Entry
It's some kind of
team.
sting.
Suspect down.
Show me your hands! Now!
Roger.
Get
Keep it
down
up.
and put your hands up!
Fuck you.
Show me your hands! Now! Get
Hang
those
in
hands in
there.
the air! Do it now!
Over there.
Drop your weapons!
May natay pumasok dito, wedge ko.
There's a gunman.
Drop your weapons!
Nag-deploy ako ng wedge sa likod natin.
Get down and put your hands up!
Saan ka laban?
Get back. This ain't
Drop
working.
your weapons!
They're over
Do
there.
it! Police! Get down!
Bastards! Why
Drop
aren't you
your
stopping
weapons!
them?
Do it!
Ow.
Drop your weapons! Do it! Drop your weapons! Do it!
I'm not.
Drop your weapons! Do
You
it!
see him? Hurry, hurry, you've got to.
Doc, this is entry team. There's a full
Nasaan ka laban?
basement.
Put your hands up!
Nakikipagwatilan.
Get
Roger.
those hands
Clean
up!
house.
Now!
We'll sort it out later.
Gambling site, laban, gambling.
Show me your hands! Now! Get those hands in the
You
air!
won't
Do
stop
it now!
us.
Get down and put your hands up!
Shit! Cops!
Dead.
Doc, this is entry team. Checking out the laundromat
Ang
now.
dami.
Copy that, entry team.
Ang dami.
Ano madami?
Ang daming may baril.
Police!
May binaril ako.
Sige lang.
You won't stop us.
Tignan mo ako.
Oh.
Okay na yung chaos. Okay na yung chaos.
Tapos,
Police! Get those hands up! Now!
Shit! Don't shoot.
okay na, wala na may baril, sir ka.
Drop your weapons!
Roger that. Standing by for further reports.
Don't shoot me. Oh shit!
Police! On the
Cops!
floor! Drop your weapons! Do it! Drop your
Stinking
weapons!
cops.
Do it!
Daming baril.
Team to Doc.
Okay na yata.
Found Officer Walsh.
Tapos na.
He's alive, but in
Kulang na lang yung evidence.
EMT.
Tapos madami tayo ano.
Secure na ano.
Notifying EMT.
World Steel Cups pa. Sana hindi. Sana ano, okay pa.
Get those hands in the air! Do it now!
Entry team.
Show me your hands! Now!
Ang dami ko din na-restrain pero okay. Naka-raise
Restrain mo. Sira na to.
This is entry
Sticking their
team.
noses where they
Suspect
don't belong.
restrained. Ready for pickup. Roger. Keep it up.
Paano defuse to? Paano tanggalin to? Yung trap.
Hindi ko mapulot yung evidence.
Saan ka ba?
Dito.
Who forgot to fucking pay the cops? One of our finest citizens here.
Ito, may
Yeah. Ala, kinuha ko na. Nakalimutan nila bayaran yung ano, police.
Get those hands up! No!
Gambling sa ito, Lauben, no? Ang dami patay.
Diba? Gulat ako. What the fuck?
Secure na lang evidence para dagdag points.
My god. So good. Pwede mo ang baril yung environment.
Hachimi, Hachimi, Hachimi.
Police, get down now!
Damn high-handed cops.
Police, on the floor!
Games never hurt anybody.
Civilian is
So
grateful
upset
to be
about
back.
Piece
Copy.
of trash.
Trailer standing by.
Get those hands up! No!
Saan na ba?
What's your problem?
Talk. This is
Ah,
entry
may...
team. Suspect killed. Roger that. Standing by for further.
Parang ano, madali na lang yung game na to. Anyari?
Nirush natin.
Bakit na flashlight talaga?
Mag CSGO entry fragger ako. CSGO. Pas
Inuubos.
W.
Kaya check ko lang, baka may na-miss na tayo. Anong room to? Ah. Dami pang evidence. Laundry mat pala to.
Police, hands up!
Ganda ng P90, walang recoil.
Mga pistol nga lang ako eh. Wala na yata eh.
May naka-restrain dito. Nakatayo, kita mo yung screen ko. Tingnan mo, nakatayo.
Paano ba yan yung screen?
Home mo.
Ah, home. Ayun.
Nakatayo, kita mo.
Oh my god.
Baba! Ay, ito mo yun. Check pa natin. Sana naman. Isang mali lang. Pwede na tayo. 77. Please. Brah, 63.
Pakot. Ay, ikaw pala.
Oo, may nabatay tayo. Isa. Nandiyan na ba si Sho?
Wala pa.
Sila yung nag-chat. Hachimi, Hachimi, Hachimi. $290. Nakalimutan ko lang lagyan ng suppressor. Okay na yan. Naganda talaga ng FN eh. Nabara na ano. Company. Ang ganda pa ng ammo type. 5.7. Game.
Okay, we ball.
Ano gamit mo?
We ball.
Ano gamit mo?
Deagle.
All units.
One dig.
Magawa din.
Suspect in the rear storage area, side 3, level
Ang
1.
dami kasi nila tayo.
Alam ko sa vanilla, di ba, ano, pwede mong gamitin yung sniper na walang ano, consequence.
Kaya tao.
This is
Parang wali controlling to.
Los Lost visual on side 3, level 1.
Yung sniper? Di ba caps lock?
Ay, hindi. Zoom in lang yun sa view mo.
Paano?
Sierra 1 reporting suspect in the rear storage area, side 3, level 1.
Yaman na.
Page up.
Page. Hindi, activate. Baka na malabas lang sa screen yan eh.
Lumalabas lang. Hindi ko alam eh. Pero mo sa keybind.
Wag na.
Arrest them. Out of the way. Out of the way. Clear.
Gamitin kaya natin yung wipe dito. Gusto mo?
Pwede.
Maganda ba? Wipe. Hi.
Hindi yata.
Hi. Ayan, huwag na. Camera ka. Bridge mo na.
Wala akong pang-bridge.
What?
Dito lang.
Bobo. Ay, gago! Ay! Wait nga lang, nabaril kita.
May sito.
Kaya pala di ko mo, ano, ma-press. Pinapress ko, pipikla ko na sana eh. Nabaril lang kita. Ba't wala kang shotgun? Mag-breaching ka.
Sige. Paano ko ba ayaw mo?
Ang dami nakalaki.
Hindi lang.
XDM. 1911. Usable pa rin yung M1911 kahit ngayon.
Oo naman. Sa Pinas ka eh. Kaya 1911. Mga police. Ay, mga
Magkano?
AFP. O 1911 yung mga yan.
Magkano ba yan?
Mahal yata yun. Bili ka lang sa Quiapo. May illegal.
All units, this is Central
45 CP.
Units responding code 3 to 1092 Westfield Road. Officer in danger.
Lock.
Police, get down! Get those hands
Watching
up!
yung
Now!
Wait till my lawyer hears about this. You got
Civilian secured and ready for transport.
Tara.
Copy. Keep it up.
Check mo yung stairs. Check ko yung ano.
Element spotted.
the cops are
Okay. Dalawa agad.
This is entry team to talk.
Ikaw lang inisprayan ko.
The EMT's ready. Talk, this is Sierra 1. Element has moved out of visual contact.
Asan yung pistol mo, bye? Okay, clear?
Hindi.
Dito, pasok na tayo sa baba. Boss. Ang dilim, wala kang makita. Trap ba? Nakalak. Wedge kayo, no? Oh, may nagbabarilan.
High ground reporting.
Wedge ko.
Shots are being fired
Wedge
from
ito.
the perimeter from the neighboring
Ay.
laundromat.
Yan, i-wedge mo. Sige.
Doc to entry team. One of Walsh's contacts says the laundromat and shop are connected. You need to check it out ASAP.
Roger. On our
Di
way.
ko alam kung ilan. Walang visual. Ano ulit? Pasok na lang. Tignan ko nga, trapped. Hindi naman trapped. Go. Watching right. Clear right.
Hands in the air now. Police, hands up.
Bilis mo na. Watch yung back mo.
Tracking.
This is entry team. Suspect is secure and ready for transport.
Can't believe it.
Copy. Continue mission.
Damn it.
Wedge ko na dito.
Di ko alam kung arm tong ano. Di ko alam kung arm tong mga tao rito. Flashbangin na lang natin.
Hindi yan arm. Mga ano na yan. Normal na tao.
Flashbangin na rin natin. Baka ano. Di ko alam kung ilan eh. Ako mag-open. May flashbang ka? Arm na?
There they are. Drop your
Baba.
What the hell?
police. Get down.
No! Oh! What?
Get those hands up now.
Ito rin, flashbangin na rin natin to.
You don't scare me.
Team to talk. Suspect cuffed and ready for transport.
Copy. Continue mission.
What's going on?
Mabuti di ko binaril yun.
You guys are right to be arresting me.
Entry team to talk. Civilian ready to evacuate.
Buwabaril ko na sana, hinintay ko na lang ma-flash eh. Good call. Ganun ulit.
Flashbang.
Di ko alam kung ano. Flashbangin mo dito ka sa left side. Flash mo yung right. Sa right may iba to. Tingnan ko kung trapped. No traps. 3. Nakalock.
Oh my god.
3, 2, 1.
Police. Drop your weapons and hit the floor. Get those hands up now. Police on the floor. Get those hands up now.
This is entry
Police,
team.
get
There's
down.
a full-blown
Police,
casino in the
hands up.
basement. Be prepared for
Ah, may casino.
Get down.
Roger. Clean house and we'll sort it out later.
Where's my goddamn lawyer?
Fetch him out, Marie.
secure and ready to evacuate. Secure and ready for
Roger.
What's up? I thought you guys
Roger
were gonna
that.
rescue me.
Trailer standing by.
Oh, nag-all in saan? Ano na? May tumakbo ata sa right. Sa pintuan sa right. Hindi ko alam kung may tao. Huwag na natin i-flash.
Flashbang ko.
Meron pa ako. May tumakbo ata.
Get down or I'll put you down. Get those
I
hands
ain't
up
got a weapon.
now.
Don't shoot.
Drop your weapons.
Oh, mababaril niya sana.
Police, get down. Get those hands in the air. Do it now.
Goddamn it.
You're in no position.
This ain't my shot.
Dapat, may napatay na ba tayo?
Roger that. Standing by.
Oh, dalawa. Yung sa entrance. Eto na yung winage mo.
Copy. Continue mission.
Tanggalin ko na.
Wag. Papunta lang yan sa ano eh. Sa ano yun? Yung sa counter. Ito kailangan natin yung flash to. Baka nandito sila eh.
Hindi, may isa pa ako.
Flash mo far, forward.
Okay. Arming.
Straight. Far.
Hands up. On your
Dami.
knees.
Clear mo yung room na yan. Watch ko stairs.
Down.
Police on the floor.
I dropped it. Fine.
Oo, tatlong tao dito.
Now. Get those hands in the air. Do it now. Get down or I'll put you down.
May bomba dito.
Police, hands up.
Pinto.
Bomba?
Get down and put your hands up.
Ayun yung ano.
Suspect secure
Get those
and
hands
ready
in the air.
Yan yung sa entrance, yung winage natin sa una.
Suspect cuffed and ready to evacuate.
Check ko tong taas.
May lang. Dito sa screen na.
Secure and
Roger. Keep it up.
People getting killed on the streets every day.
secure.
And you gotta come and bust a little card
Roger.
house.
We'll come in when it's
Bakit
clear.
na ako?
Go after the real bad guys.
Meron pa ata eh. Oh, meron pa.
Talk, this is entry team.
Dead.
At the laundromat now.
Copy that, entry team.
Show me.
Talk, this is entry team. Suspect neutralized.
Roger that. Standing by for further report.
Entry team
to
to talk.
entry team. Good work.
May isa pa ata.
Head back to HQ.
Get those hands up.
pretty bad
Now.
Nice work. Let's head back to HQ.
Ah, tapos na. Kaya lang tayo evidence. Ano, hanapin pa ba na? Uy! Hanapin nga natin baka may na-miss out tayong isa. Para perfect. May nabaral ka ba, isa?
Wala yata. Oo, wala.
Wala ka nabaral.
Buong mission, wala ako nabaral.
Ibig sabihin, smooth na yan. Ganun tayo ka-smooth, ibig sabihin. Ako ganun, di ba, pag maganda yung mission? Maganda yung mission nyo. Wala kayong nabarel. 12 bullets lang nagamit ko doon sa buong mission na to. May tinatago ko ba kayo?
Damn lawyer. Shut up. Shut your trap. Shut up.
Ito, tapos na.
Dito. Ano?
Sa counter. Hindi, yan yung ano.
Ako nga pa yung bomba.
Oo. $98. Wow!
Wow! Oh my God.
Kung wala ata tayong napatay doon.
Puro wounded.
Oo. Wala tayong napatay doon. Maganda na eh. Sana yan. Ito. Parking garage. Side ko. Ang ganda mission yan. Masaya. Parang ano, ang smooth. Multiple gunmen stored from the office.
Armor yata to. Oo, ano. Nag-negotiate sila ng ano. 4 hostages for 2 gas masks and 2 vest. FMJ. Huwag AP. Tumatagos eh. Sige.
O kaya ano, JSP. FMJ naman. Oh, maganda. Mas mataas daw ano, penetration baka parang middle line ng FMJ at JHP.
Okay.
FMJ na lang. Headshotin lang din naman eh. Kahit anong bala dali mo lapin, 50 cal yung 50 cal yung barrel mo eh.
Ako na eh, on 4 na lang po. Grenade na. Grenade lang siya.
Wag.
Ano? Breaching.
Breach. Oo. Huwag tayo magdala ng ano mabigat. Bagal eh. Pwede kang magdala ng ano, tig-3 flashbang. May 4 ako. Okay na tayong 8 flashbang. Tig-4 tayo. Pwede na yan.
Sige.
Ready? Entrance natin, pretty much. Saan yung entry point natin? Alam ko entry point natin sa taas eh. Bahala na. Oh, parking lot. Mas maganda ata dito magsimula. Ha! Uy! Dead.
Dead is ako.
Na-distracted ako. Na-distract ako dito, laban.
Dead.
Wedge ko to. Check mo yan.
Wala. Plate.
May pintuan dyan?
Wala.
Okay.
Yan lang.
Entry, ito yung entrance. May stairs pataas. Nakalak. Oh. Stairs agad, bilyet. Wedge mo yan.
Wedging.
Nakakatakot pag stairs. Dapat kinder natin muna. Ayaw na.
Uy, baliw.
Uy. May... Ano yung ginalaw? Ginalaw ng pizza mo? No. May parating na gunman. May parating na gunman dito.
Okay. Ready na yung balik.
Nasa harapan sila. Mismo sila ng pinto.
Ano, buksan mo na? Buksan mo.
Wait na. Ano gagawin natin daw?
Guns blazing.
Opening 3, 2, 1. Dead.
Ito nalaro na natin to.
Dead.
I don't believe this is happening. Don't shoot me.
Huwag agad buksan.
Ball.
Mahirap ang siya to eh.
TOC, this is entry team. Suspect is secure and ready to evacuate.
Copy. Stay sharp.
You'll get through this.
I don't believe this.
Entry team.
Why are you tying me up?
Civilian ready
I
to
thought you were gonna
evacuate.
rescue us.
Roger.
Don't leave me here.
Suspect.
Police, get down!
Huwag ko nga headshotin para may dagdag points tayo.
Para incapacity.
Pali pa tayo taas. Hindi nakalak. Unknown. May hallway sa right natin. May hallway sa straight natin. May hallway sa right natin. Daming pintuan. May wag ka magpipik. Wag ka magpik dyan. May pakamakit na yung alaman. Never mind.
I can't believe I came into work today. Just transport. I'll be out by 2.
Trailer standing by.
TOC, this is Sierra 1. Element has moved out of visual contact.
Careful, I think they're waiting for
We'll be ready for them.
Patay, sirs. Baba na lang tayo. May gunman dito. Suppresahin natin. Nilak niya lang. Dead? Wala.
One-tap ko sa ulo yung mo eh.
Waiting for your all clear.
Naka-center mas yung ano ko, tutok. Bigla yung mo ko.
Atato yung... May gunman dito. Huwag nating flashbangin.
Drop your weapons and hit the floor! Drop your weapons! Don't drop your weapons!
They keep screaming about the damn
Okay. Okay. Muntikin niya na barilin yung hostage.
Screaming about the damn police.
TOC, this is entry team.
Hurry, you've got to stop them.
Isa lang yung natira sa kanya. Sa kanila.
Screaming about the damn police.
Roger that. Standing by for further reports.
Why are you waving those things at me?
Get down and put your hands
Ba. Huwag mong sapok sa baka na-incapacitate sila eh.
Kasi huwag sobra.
Oh shit, may pumanik ata dito, Lauben. Wait lang, check natin, watch mo lang yan, check natin to. Nasa street mo, right side mo, Lauben. Okay.
Ayaw niya i-backstand bali.
Pumasok siya sa stairs, ang ganda. Alerted na ata sila. Saan na nagaling? Ah, nabuksan nila yung wedge? Ay, hindi.
Tapos na yun, clear natin yun. Sa
pinakababa. Saan siya pumasok? Dito siya pumasok, no? Sa stairs na to?
Hindi, ewan ko. Ay, dito baka.
Ito ba yung bukas?
May isa pa.
Check mo ito baka may nagtatago.
Tingnan ko yung pinto.
Okay.
This is entry team. Suspect killed. Roger that. Standing by for further reports.
Elevator. May hallway sa left. Go. Wala. Ito yung winedge. Okay, ito yung winedge.
Puro pintuan tatlo.
Wait, bathroom to. Check muna natin to. Unknown kung may suspect. May civilian.
Oh, nakita ko sa ano.
Why are you yelling at me? What do they want? Why would anyone take over this company?
Copy. Keep it up.
Ito yung entry point na isa. Right, check right.
Ito yung malaki ano sa baba.
Check ko muna to, check ko muna to. Check ko muna to. Oh, ito yung entrance. Oh, ito yung entrance na. Ito yung entrance na isa. Wedge ko yung ano, yung room na yon, yung isang door dito para di sila makalabas.
Sige.
Wedge.
Itong ano, CR na to, wala to.
Ha? Hindi ko alam. Brilliant! Okay.
Tabel.
Roger that. Trailers and EMTs are standing by.
Flashbang. Flashbang. Go, 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 Lauben, go. Go, Lauben, go!
Hindi ako naka-ano, anti-flashbang.
Civilian na dito. Shit, meron pa isa dito. Okay.
Dead na isa.
Roger that. Standing by for further reports.
Bye.
Hey, you guys found him?
This is entry team. Civilian is ready for evac. Roger that. Trailer standing by.
Took you long enough to
One
get
of our
us.
finest citizens. Show me your hands.
Oh, umayo.
Aba.
Wala ko niya.
Naka-handcuff na ba yan?
Oo,
Okay.
umayo bigla.
May isa pa.
Get down or I'll put you down. Get down.
Damn, you've got nerve.
Tama na.
But
Don't worry.
I didn't do anything. Don't just
May
like
kulang pa.
here, those
Keep it up.
guys, they're crazy.
Uy, nagulat ako, nakatayo.
Dito.
Pwede yung winage natin eh. May isang room pa tayo kulang. Ito? May isa po civilian. Pumanik ba tayo sa pinakataas o hindi?
Parang oh.
Ay. Ito yung server room.
May isa pang ID. Oo, ito. Hindi natin na-check.
Get those hands in the air! Do it now! Get those hands up! Now!
Tell me this will be over soon.
Oh, umiikot bigla yung mouse ko. Okay na.
Ito yung civilian. Civilian na to, no? Hindi pa. Pinakataas bata.
Destroy the servers.
Alam ko may main room pa to eh. Yung... oo. Ito. Hindi ba ito?
Yan yata. Dito din yata.
Hindi. Tapos na. Ito na yung ano. Saan yun?
Dito. Wala to.
Ay, hindi yung room na yun eh.
Ay, hindi. Iba.
Okay.
Ito yung ano CEO office. So. Destroy evidence.
Let's head to debrief. We'll be ready for them.
Tapos na. Tangin ng massacre. Massacre.
86.
Ilan?
Ba't na?
Eight yung napatay natin. Ay, hindi, apat pala.
Neutralize, napatay natin 8. 4 yung na-wounded.
Hindi ba kasama yun? Hindi pa
iba yun. Pag incapacitated, buhay pa. Pag neutralize, patay na.
Akala ko pag neutralize kasama na. Tapos pa? Ready ko yung pusa?
Hindi.
Okay. Stellar State. Teka, nailang ako.
Sige lang.
Boy, putang ina, ba't nandito ka? Ang bilis ha! Ah, may helicopter? Paano mag-sorry? Halika, paano mag-sorry?
Sorry, tatali yan.
Ayan, mag-sorry. Tatali na lang.
Buti pa sila. Hindi ko alam. Hindi pa.
May nagkakantahan na. Kaya ayoko pag Sabado, Linggo eh. Ang ingay. Ano ba mo pag edit 90, hindi natin kaya yan? Ready? Cellar Street. Citizens against satanic music. Storm the rock concert at the Cellar Street Auditorium. Terrorist attack. Vocal opponent of rock music. Occasionally. Oh no. Wala atang armor, pero sila? Well armed. Try ko ngayon SG. Ay, wala akong SG. No. Alam ko ba ma-unlock yun? May SD ka, no? Ba't ngayon meron ako wala?
May bug yan.
Parang di ko na
papakita lahat eh. Bakit?
Ako ba sa akin kailangan na i-unlock?
Kulit ka ha? Okay.
Pero na ulit. JHP na.
Wait lang. Aray! Dilaan yung kamay ko.
Sino yan? Si Rambo?
Hilig talaga siya.
Ready?
Ready na ako.
37 Adam, this is Central BCC.
Okay.
Adam, Boy, and Truck 1 responding code 3 to 1801 Cellar Street.
Narinig mo yan, Lauren?
Hindi.
Nagbabarilan, gago.
Oh my God.
Wedge na lang natin to. May wounded. Wow.
Entry team to talk. Civilian injured. Notify the EMTs.
Copy. EMTs standing by.
Ang banger ng music, what the fuck?
Hey! Police! On the floor! I have a ticket!
Tanga na akong banger, ang ganda ng time signature.
Man, did I get the cheap seats.
Civilian secured. Ready for evac. Copy.
May gunmen sa left side. Ito yung main room eh.
Flashbang?
Dami ata. Bakit? Flashbang.
Army?
Pa-flash din ako. 3, 2, 1. Left side ah.
Get away from me! Drop
Go, 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 go. Oh my god, ang dami. Ito yung main stage.
Sierra 1 reporting. I have visible contact.
I'm just trying to protect you.
Roger. We'll come.
This is entry civilian down, but breathe up.
Ay, armored sila.
Sierra 1 to entry team. I've lost sight of the target.
Kaya mo na.
This is entry team. Suspect in custody. Ready for pickup.
Roger. Waiting for your all clear.
Ito. Watch mo yung stairs. Ay, yung apps, ay yung ano. Balcony sa taas.
Copy. Stay sharp.
Keep it quiet. Civilian ready to evacuate.
Wala, wala lumabas.
Trailer standing by.
Ito na yung stairs. Oo. May entrance ba dyan sa stage?
May isa pang stage dito. May ano pa dito?
Easy, dude. I ain't the bad guy.
Okay.
Get those hands up now! I ain't your enemy. Easy, dude. I ain't the bad guy. Ready for evac. What is happening?
Ikot mo!
I ain't the bad guy.
May ano magbukas sa pinto.
Get down and put your hands up. Hands in the air. Get those hands in the air. Do it now.
Tell me this will be over soon.
Ikaw ba nagbukas sa pinto doon?
I didn't do anything.
Copy. Keep it up.
Oh, may panic ka dito.
Get down now. What? Hands in the air. Hands up.
Balik tayo? Hindi, i-block
Get
pala
those
to.
hands in the air. Do it now.
Roger. We'll come in when it's clear.
Dito, ano yata to? Oh, umikot na.
Get down or
Why
I'll
don't we
put
take
you
it
down.
down a notch? I'm doing it. Forgive them.
You're lucky I'm on the clock.
What they do. Man,
Bobo putek. Sila. Sila kayo na mamaral. Forgive them or for... Gago. Anong room to? Ito parang parking lot.
Exit
natin.
natin.
Ito yung parking. Ito yung exit mission.
Police, get down now. Police.
Oh.
Police, get down.
This is entry team. Injured suspect
Police,
secure
on
and
the
ready for
floor.
evac.
Police, get
Roger.
down.
Contacting medics.
Paikot lang yata yun.
Oo.
Watching stuff.
Teka nga. Ay, oo. Hindi, wait, ano to?
Hindi, paikot lang.
Papaikot lang.
Staircase na.
Mga baril pa sa taas.
Police, on the floor.
Cops are here.
Show me your hands now.
Asking me, man.
Shit.
Get those hands in the air.
I ain't the
Do it
bad
now.
guy.
Show me your
Easy,
hands.
big
Mga baril pa ni sila.
Get those hands in the air. Do it now. Get down and
Nakakatakot
put your
naman.
hands up.
You're gonna get us out of here, right, man? Ready for transport.
Check natin
Copy.
to.
We'll be ready for them.
Wedge mo yan.
Ajay.
Drop your weapons.
Baba.
Police, hands in the air now. Police, hands up. Police, show me your hands. Get down now.
I'm just trying.
Dead.
We'll come in when it's clear.
Entry team to talk.
May 8k.
Police, get down!
Roger that. Standing by for further
Police, on the
reports.
floor!
Check mo yan. Buta na sa akin. Ating sa...
On the floor! Get those hands up! Now!
Doc, this is Sierra.
Get those hands in the air! Do it! Police, get down!
Free ticket to my ass.
Civilian secured and ready for
May wounded civilian.
Copy. Keep it
Wala akong makita masyado dito. May hallway sa right natin, pati sa left.
Sige, ako sa right.
Sa left. May pintuan din doon.
Entry team to talk. Injured civilian needs
Ito yung ano.
Pintuan dito.
notifying EMT.
Kaya check ko to. Check ko tong room na to.
Police! Get down and put your hands up!
Dami.
I give up! Police! Hands up! Police!
Ito yung winedge natin.
Oo.
Ito yung winedge. Hallway to lang pa. Yep, ito yung hallway. Yung second floor. Wedge mo nga yung pintuan na chinek mo kanina. Yung sa right side ng hallway. Wedge mo. Hintayin kita dito.
Dito ba? Kita mo ako. Yan.
Ayan?
Oo.
Ano?
Watch ko dyan yan.
Sige, watch mo rin. Enter na ako. May gun mo na ata sa harapan dito. Flashbangin na lang. Flash mo, flash. Flash right.
Lang, parating na.
Walang space. Space. Sa likod mo ako. Naka-ceramic armor. Right Kuha na. 3, 2, 1.
Drop your weapons and get down and put your hands up! Drop your weapons! Hands up! Get those hands in the air! Do it now! Show me your hands, now!
To.
Police, hands up!
Doc, this is Sierra 1. Let's keep clear. Visuals on entry team.
Should have brought my own gun
safer
along.
this way.
Talk, this is entry team. Suspect is secure and ready to evacuate.
Roger that.
You want me to make these
Hurry
tighter?
up, just get me out of here.
May suspect ata dito. Yeah, may sus.
Yan yung winedge ko lang pintuan sa kanila. Connected lang.
May wala, hindi ko sure kung may ganun pero may civilian sa harap. Pasok na lang.
Over there! Drop your weapons and hit the floor! Police, get down! Police, on the floor!
Good wedge.
Police, get down!
Talk, this is entry team. Civilian secured and ready for transport.
Roger that.
Meron pa dito sa stairs. Sneaky Bricky, wala. Wala. Oh, bathroom. Check natin.
Get down and put your hands
May tao ata sa left side CR.
Roger that.
Wala.
EMTs standing by.
Ito.
Gamitin mo na lang yun. Yung bintahan. Ay, yung bintahan. Yung hero.
Meron. Meron dito. Dito.
Police, on the floor! Drop your weapons!
Sabay bida.
babaril niya sa ano. Balik.
sabay binara.
Standing by for further reports.
But entry team, police, I didn't do anything.
May kulang pa sa given. Gusto na yung mga yan. Tira mo to laban yung details ng game na to. Kaya mo. Kung sa mo binabaril yung extinguisher, doon lumalabas yung ano. Ay, hindi. Ah. Hindi ko ginagamit yung aim down sight dito.
Ako nga din eh.
Parang wala kasing kwenta, ang bagal eh.
Command ko kasi nasa right click. Kailangan.
Saka nasa ano eh, mouse button ko eh.
Kaya mo na yung pasta sa kanila.
Ano na akong bala.
Nakain ako konti. Tapos bigyan.
Gusto na yung mga taong yun. Check mo nga sa taas.
Ay, hindi. Connected lang ng pintuan yun eh. Paikot lang yun. Build na natin yun.
Dahil nyo eh. Eh baka to sa winage mo.
Ay, ito. Ay, hindi pa naka-handcuff.
Ah?
Should have brought my own gun. No problem.
Mission
My wife
objectives
doesn't even know I'm
accomplished.
here.
Time to head back in.
Okay.
Good work, guys. Let's head for home.
Kulang na evidence. 7.
Ilan?
7.
What?
Hindi mo kinipick up.
Pick up ko yan.
Hello. Ay, okay na tayo. Kung mga 82 ganun.
85. Konti na naman kasi yun. 90. Diba? Ang mahalaga matapos yung mission. All civilians unharmed. May ano pala. Naka-preset na naka may nasugatan.
Ano next? Diamond Center. Ha? Tayong wala si Shu. Nag-chat na ba?
Wala eh.
Hindi. Oh, people. Battle of Midway. Game?
Ready.
Ito ba yung ano? Lahat naka-armed? Naka-assault rifle?
Ano sa Southern Station?
Saan mo? Yep. Armed with machine guns and wearing body armor.
Okay. Alam ko to. Ito yung bangko.
Body armored. Ano ako sa primary? Abay pala. Ayaw ng Hector. Sawa na ako sa M4. Ayaw na ng M4, ayaw na ng AK. Sawa na ako.
Scar ka.
Pwede.
Ako nga din, Scar ako.
Tayo mag-AP.
FMJ lang na.
Tumatagos kasi yung IT eh. Mag-suppressor na ako, di na ako mag-aim fight. 762. Kate nito.
Why shot?
Bridge ka lang. Game. Yeah, aim point na nga. Tupit ang itsura.
429 Adam, this is Central BCC. Multiple SWAT units responding to CP at Broadway and
Alam ko
East
mag-alarm
100.
dun.
Barricade hostage situation.
Bilit.
Ay, hindi. Sa ano pala yun? Sa reported pala yun.
The Horde. You alerted the Horde. Wait, ingatan nga natin itong mga taas na to. Yung door dito sa taas. Oh!
Police, get down!
What the fuck?
What the fuck? Saan galing yun?
Drop your weapons and hit the floor. Police, drop your weapons. Drop your weapons and
Papanik
hit the
ako.
floor.
Sa likod mo ako.
Get down or I'll put you down. Police, hands up!
Saan?
Hands in the air now.
Ito medyo mahirap.
Oh!
One of the gunmen. There.
What the fuck? Ang daming pintuan.
Oh, ito yung, ito malapit. Madaming armored.
Wait, mo, ay, mo-connected lang to.
Entry team spotted.
Get away from me.
TOC, this is Sierra 2. Element
Hands
spotted.
up. On your knees.
Injured civilian needs evac.
Roger that.
Wait, mo to alaban. Ay, hindi.
This is Sierra 1. Lost
On the
visual
floor.
on
Get those hands up. Police. Whatever you say. Your weapons.
Baba!
Balin mo yun. Ay, tumatakbo.
Saan tumakbo?
Hindi, pag tumatakbo yung kalaban, tapos may hawak na siyang baril. Sinigaw mo na. Pwede mo na barilin.
Copy. Trailer standing by.
Tumatakbo dito.
Saan? Ito.
Saan?
GTP. Okay.
Drop your weapons and hit the floor. Get those hands in the air. Do it now.
This is entry team.
Show me your hands now.
Wala na?
Get down and
Wala na, Lawen, tara.
police on the floor.
Bahala na, Lawen.
Bahala na. Speedrun.
Bahala na.
May bar.
Entry team to TOC. Civilian secured. Ready for evac.
Get those hands
Roger
in the
that.
air.
Trailer
Do it
standing
now.
by.
Entry team to TOC. Suspect down.
Show me your hands
Roger.
now.
Keep it up.
Get down and put your hands up.
TOC. This is
I
entry
don't
team.
care about the
Suspect dead.
gems.
Civilian secured.
Copy.
Ready for
Trailer
transport.
standing by.
Okay.
There they are. Drop your weapons. Do it. Drop your weapons. Do it. Drop your weapons. Do it. Get those hands up now. Drop your weapons. Do it.
What? Oh my god.
Get those hands in the
Sinisigaw ko
air.
na sa kanina pa.
Now.
Wala na ata.
Roger that.
25.
Further reports.
Police, get down. Drop your weapon.
Oh my god.
You gotta be kidding.
Nangyari sa'yo?
Na one shot ako. Ng shotgun.
TOC. This is entry team.
Na-stalker ako, na-stalker.
Copy. Continue.
Nalikuran ka?
Hindi, sa harap ko.
What the hell is this? Hang in there. No hard feelings.
Saan ka namatay?
Then sa gitna ng pinto.
Lead mo nga ako.
Sa baba.
Baba. Kita ko yung ano pumatay sa'yo.
Kanan.
Dito?
Yan.
Dito?
Ayan. Ayan, sa may TV. Nandyan siya.
Wala naman eh.
Nandyan siya.
Police! Drop your weapons!
Entry team to talk. Officer down. Ready evac. Entry team to talk. Suspect neutralized.
Namatay na din yung kasama niya. What? Pagpasok ko doon, patay na yung kasama niya.
Hindi ko katalakta yun. Nandito ako eh. Lumana ako dito eh.
Bumalik siya.
Get down now!
This can't be
Get down
happening.
or I'll put you down!
This was the worst night.
Got it under control.
Ulit na lang tayo. Makatala na
Gotta
tayo.
stop them before they kill somebody.
Try ko lang
Swear, I
tapusin.
thought I was dead.
Entry team to talk. Injured civilian needs evac.
Roger that. EMTs standing by.
Talk. This is entry. Talk. This is entry team. Civilian hit. In need of medical
Buksan na nila yung vault.
Be ready.
Kobe.
Hands in the air now! Don't let him shoot me! This is screwed! Don't move or I'll shoot!
You gotta stop it.
Get out of here! I'll shoot!
May pinatay na sila. What? Pakailan nyo.
Get killed. Over there.
Pulutan na tayo. Madami silang pinatay, Lauben.
Grabe.
Kailangan methodological yung ano natin na approach.
May guns blazing kagad. Bahala na.
Wala na. Wala eh, ang gulo na eh, ang hirap yan no. Ang situation ng ESS.
Injured civilian needs evac.
Hirap i-assess ng situation pag ano, nakaka-stress. Para totoong SWAT talaga. Prisoner. Kailangan natin wedge mo yung pintuan sa ano, baba. Yung dalawang pintuan sa baba.
Sige.
Sa second floor, wedge din natin. Tapos pasok na lang tayo sa isang pinto. Magdala pa tayo mga 6 na wedge. Palit na ko isang flashbang ng 3 wedge. Tapos magti-3-pack na lang ako na flashbang. Pwede na to?
6 na wedge ko.
Ako rin. Ang useful ng wedge. Ang pakat ng scar, ang onti ng bala. Pala.
Pares lang.
P90 na lang. Game.
429 Adam, this is Central BCC. Multiple SWAT units responding to CP at Broadway and East 100 barricade hostage situation.
Wedge mo agad yung dalawang pintuan na yan. Connected lang naman itong mga room na to, no? Wedge na lang natin yung pintuan dito sa right side. Wedge ko to. Huwag ka tumakbo. Okay lang.
Police, hands up!
Cover mo yung left.
Entry team to talk. Civilian secured. Ready for evac.
Roger that. Trailer standing by.
Saan yan? Saan nanggaling yan?
Entry team to talk. Injured civilian needs evac.
Roger
Dito
that.
muna, sarap muna.
EMTs standing by.
Wedge.
Wedge yan.
Oh, wedge ko na. Dito tayo. Ay. Tama ba? Pwede ko wedge yan. At pala ito yung wini-wedge ko. Yun. Baka kasi may tumakbo dito. Pasok na. Right.
That way. Get down and put your hands up.
Entry team.
Whatever you
Unknown
say.
in second floor office, side 1, level 2.
Police. Police.
Buliet.
Not sure dito.
Drop your weapons and hit the floor.
Sierra 1 to entry team. I've lost sight of the target.
On the floor. Police on the floor.
Shit, I thought I was gonna die.
Talk. This is entry team. Suspect
Get down or I'll put
They
you
made a
down.
beeline straight for the vault. They knew exactly
Civilian
what they were
secured and
looking
ready
for.
for transport.
Talk. This is Sierra 1. Entry team spotted.
Pwede ba mabalik ng wedge?
Civilian down
Yun
but
yan.
breathing. Ready for evac.
Copy.
Right.
EMTs
Try
standing
mo.
by.
Try mo.
Talk. This is Sierra 1. Lost visuals on entry team.
Ito yung wedge.
Ilan na lang wedge mo? 0. Pindutin mo 0.
1.
1.
Buliet! Okay.
Police. Don't shoot. Hands in the air.
I'm just standing here.
Oh, tama wedge ko to.
Team to talk. Suspect secure and ready for evac.
I don't have any
Roger.
weapons.
We'll come in when it's clear.
Drop your weapons and hit the floor.
Entry team to talk.
Police.
Mamaya, baba mo yan.
Hands in the air. Do it now. Police. Get down.
Suspect neutralized.
Roger. Keep it up.
Daming room, ang daming room.
Get down and put your hands.
Dito, lobby dito.
Get me out of here.
Galman isa. Check mo nga wedge mo nga yung pintuan sa natin. Ito.
Saan?
Ito. Right.
Ito? Wedge na to.
Oh. Wedge na yan? Ay. Ito ba yung sa... yung sa... second floor. Galman sa left.
Drop those weapons and hit the floor. Do it now.
Yun, ginagawa.
Get down and put your hands in the air now.
Ano yung nasa baba?
Is this
Hang in
necessary?
there. It'll be okay.
I mean, it's pretty clear that I'm not one of those lunatics, right?
Copy. Keep it up.
Yes, the rich just stay rich.
Suspect cuffed and ready for transport.
Roger.
Sa baba, kailangan sa baba.
Police.
Oh! Nag-crash yung game. Nag-crash yung game.
Ano nag-crash?
Oh, nag-crash. Wala. Deads. Ano ulit?
Ulit.
Ganda na nun. Talaga.
Napatay ako. Ang ganda na eh. It's secondary. Restart ko.
Nandito pa rin yung isang infantry.
Muna. Nandito ka pa rin? Nawala na infantry? Ganun ulit. Hirap nito.
429 Adam, this is Central BCC. Multiple SWAT units responding to CP at Broadway and East 100. Barricade hostage situation.
Nira ko yung CCTV. Wedge mo ulit yan.
Oh, nagbubukas ng pintuan na to.
Oh, dito. Sinarado ko na. Wedge. Wedge ko dito. May civilian doon sa left side.
Doc, this is entry team. Civilian.
Police, hands up! Show me your hands now!
They really know what they're doing.
Civilian secured. Ready for evac.
Roger that. Trailer standing by.
Right side ata. Ayat pala winage ko. Baba!
Coughing.
They really know what they're doing. Came in here with a ton of bricks.
Copy. Trailer standing by.
Hinahabol ko to. Okay. Capacity lang.
Suspect is ready for transport. Suspect. Copy. EMTs and trailers standing by.
It's like something out of
Pala winage ko lahat ng
Get me out in one piece.
Entry team. Be safe. Suspect down and secure. Civilian is ready for evac. Copy. Keep it up. Entry team to talk. Civilian secured. Ready for evac. Copy. Trailer stand. Entry team to talk. Civilian secured. Ready for transport.
Get those hands up! Now!
I don't believe this is happening.
Stay
Don't
cool.
shoot
We'll be
me.
over soon. Hang in there. It'll be okay.
Saan ka? Ang layo ng tinakbo ng hayop na yan. Tayo, check dito.
Talk. This is entry team. Civilian hit.
Police, hands up!
Be ready.
Drop your
Roger
weapons!
that.
Get down and put your hands up!
Suspect
Police, on the floor!
Copy. Continue mission.
Okay.
Talk, this is Sierra 2.
Hands in the air!
Entry team. Talk, this is Sierra 1. Element has moved out of visual contact.
Baba na tayo. Ito ata yung isang entrance. Oo. Saan ka na? Diyan. Babata akong flashback dito sa baba. Dito, Lawen, sa likod mo. Ito. Ito.
Atingin ako sa'yo. Dalawa pala yun. Ano pa baba?
Get down! Show me your hands, now! Police, drop your weapons!
Baba mo yan.
Put your hands up! Police, hands up! Get those hands up, now!
Large number of heavily armed suspects. Be advised.
I don't believe this. Why are you tying me up? I thought you were going to rescue us. Don't leave me here. I don't care.
Clear muna natin ng room na to. Watch mo yung stairs. I-clear ko to.
Civilian injured. Notify the EMTs. Copy. Notifying EMTs.
Optifine, Opti1 ba yan? Optifine. Yung isa.
Optifine. Naka-wedge na. Ito yung
Minecraft. Yung right side the door. May gun man dito, naka-pistol lang, small arms. Baba mo yan!
and put your hands up.
Roger.
Dito ka namatay eh.
Get those hands in the air. Do it now.
I didn't do anything.
Around dyan sa right side niya.
Yan.
This was the worst night.
Civilian is ready for evac.
Oo, sa right side. Kailangan cover. Pasok.
Hands up.
Talk. This is entry team. Entry team to suspect dead. Injured civilian needs evac. Entry team.
Roger that. EMTs standing by.
Anong pituan to? Dito. Gunman. So straight gunman, straight dito. Okay. Wala pintuan.
Sa likod lang natin.
Shit. Ano, naka-white siya na, no? Saan ka punta? Saan ka pupunta?
They made a beeline straight to the vault. They knew exactly what they were looking for.
Check naman natin, no?
Talk. This is entry team. Civilian hit. In need of medical attention. Be ready.
Copy. Notifying EMTs.
Shut it up.
Shh! Tawagin dito. Dito sa akin.
Tapos na ba ito?
Hindi pa. What the fuck? Nanggaling sa baba yung gunman. Pumasok ata siya sa right side. Tingin pa. Hindi, may gunman. Baka bumaba. Ako pumanek. Hindi ko alam, putek. Hindi ko mabuksan yung pinto kanina eh.
Police, get down. Get back.
Got one of our finest citizens here.
Balik pa.
One of the gunmen. There.
Copy. EMTs standing by.
Kailangan muna natin ito ulit. Baka may may kupal na lumabas.
Hands up. On your knees. Don't move. Hands up.
In your way.
Diba?
Show me your hands now.
Suspect dead.
Roger. Keep it up.
What kind of a stupid rescue is this?
There they are. Drop your weapons. Do it.
What are you on anyway?
Talk. This is entry team.
Get down and put your hands up.
Roger that. Standing by for further reports.
Saan yun? Ikaw yon? Ikaw yung dumaan doon sa detector? Hindi.
Oo, yata. Oo, dumaan ako dyan.
Baba na tayo.
One of the gunmen. Help! Somebody!
Pinakababa.
Saan yung?
They're trying to kill me. Get down or I'll put you down.
Talk. This is
Police.
Civilians
Hands up for me. Show me your hands.
Roger that. EMTs standing by.
Talk.
Hands up. On your knees.
Suspect dead.
Hell?
Roger that.
Flash.
By for further reports.
Flashing.
Drop your weapons. Do it. Hands in the air. Police, don't shoot.
Babarilin niya pa.
Police, hands in the air. On the floor.
Secure mo yan.
Dalawang server room.
Meron sa server room? Baba!
Entry team to talk.
Baba! Oh my god, nag-pull out ng handgun.
Oh my.
Sinapak ko, gaga.
Suspect secure.
Tapos na.
Copy. Stay sharp.
I don't believe this.
Talk. We'll come in
Nga, salamat. Ano yun? May prompt na lumabas. Ano yung prompt na lumabas? Ah.
Injured civilian needs evac. Copy. EMTs standing by.
Grabe. Ang intense.
Civilian secured. Ready for evac. Copy. Keep it up.
Kulang tayo evidence ng isa. Tama na yan? Grabe yung mission na yan ha. Maganda yung wedge.
81.
Pwede pa. At lang ko ang pagkain.
Repeat po. Wait ka namin. Hello? Hello, hello?